Hello everyone, this is what happened when you have a cat. This is what happened when you have a cat. Mimi, you're lying down in the calculator, Mimi, and you're lying down to my documents. Get your bummy off. Bummy off. Bummy off, Mimi. Oh, Mimi. Bummy off. Bummy off. You're lying down to my papers. How to do the work, Mimi? Ah. Hey. Oh no. What you did to the computer, silly cat. See what happened. Mimi, what have you done? What are you doing to the computer? Stop. How am I supposed to do my work? Huh? You got my calculator. Hey, Mimi. Yeah. So you see my cat? That is my cat. He's right next to my work. Now, Mimi, what have you done to my computer? What happened? What happened? What is this? What have you done, baby? There you go. Now what do you want to do? You want to count how much money we have? How much money we have, Mimi? Now here. How much money we have? Now. Come on. Here you go. No.